Hey guys, Chad with Pure Media Systems. Today I'm out in Prosper, Texas doing a pre-wire for an outdoor system. We're wiring for Ethernet today for the patio and getting everything ready so that we can get their AV system going for outside when their pool and whole outdoor entertainment center is done. So I get asked all the time, why do we need to plan ahead? Why do we need to work with you ahead of time to get all the wiring done? Can't you just do that after the fact? Well, short answer, yes, we can do it after the fact, but it's not nearly as easy or as clean. So we can do a much better job and do it a lot faster, which is a lot less cost to you as a customer, doing it ahead of time, working in, getting everything going. So I'm going to show you what I did here today so that you can see just what it would take. And this is something that would be exceptionally difficult to do once all of the finish out is done for the whole awning and pergola and everything here. Sort of the patio cover, excuse me. So it would be a lot more difficult once this is up. Camera around. So I've got the camera mixed around. So I went ahead and I have wired in here. Let me get over here. So let the exposure adjust. So I've got a gang box in here with a Cat 6 pre-wired in and stapled all the way across. So got it all the way mapped up here. This is the original patio cover, which does not give really any, there's barely any gap between here. We were able to take it all the way around and go around here. But this is something that they're going to be tying in with this. So this is all going to be closed in. If we want to do this after the fact, we'd have to cut some major access holes to get everything in. So we've got all that worked around. Walk around here so you can see. Crew's here working on the outdoor kitchen right now. But so up under here, we've got the cable coming around, and it's stapled all the way across here so that it doesn't have any issues coming up or anything like that. And we've actually got it in here, worked with the electrician, everything. We told them where we want the outlets. They went ahead and put it in right where we wanted it. What we've done is we've got it coiled up here, and we've got a gang box here, double gang box, so we can work easily going through, and we'll have this covered and everything else. Again, this is going to be all finished out. And on the inside, we've got another single gang box with the electric outlet, because we're going to have a 65-inch TV right here. Let me zoom out. So we're going to have a 65-inch TV right here, and everything is done. So what we're going to end up doing is what the customer asked us to do in this situation. Sometimes, customer wants us to go through the wall. Everything is in this corner or inside this room where all the equipment's going to be, but it's not for about 10 feet inside the room, and the customer doesn't want anything in there visible. Doesn't want to have to patch through drywall, because that's what we'd have to do to get everything fished through the wall, because it's the exterior wall and there's some different fire breaks which we've already tested out here. So we're actually going to be able to put a junction box out here and tie into the conduit, and we'll come all the way down. Again, we've worked, so we've already got the conduit here, because once the landscaping crew comes in, we're not going to want to dig up the nice new yard. So we've already got a conduit with pull string that comes up under here to right here. We've got another one, actually. You can see there's two conduits here. All the equipment is actually going to be right inside here. So we've got another conduit that comes all the way across. And I'll show you this one here. And there's a conduit that comes out right here. So it comes out right here with the pull string. So we can go ahead and pull the speaker cable through once all the landscaping is in. We're going to actually have 4 Klipsch Pro 650 rock speakers all the way across the back of this, so they get a nice even balance of the legendary Klipsch sound. So their logo is pissing off the neighbors, and or their motto, excuse me, is pissing off the neighbors, and they can do that, or they don't have to. They can have a nice ambiance here. It'll be a nice, that way it's facing towards the pool. A lot of time we do the AW650s, and we can have them up underneath the awning here, and or underneath the eaves and the soffits, and blast that towards the pool. But then you interrupt your neighbors. In this situation, they want to have the nice rock look, and tie in with their new retaining wall here, and have that legendary Klipsch sound. So we're going to have 4 Pro 650 rock speakers all the way across here, and this allows us to have all that ready. Again, this saves a lot of time. We're not going back and digging up the yard to go trench cable. Let me flip the camera around again. So again, that allows us to be able to not have to trench the yard, dig up anything, and it just makes for a nice, much cleaner installation. Like I said, if we were to have done the awning again, we're going to run this after the fact, you know, we may have to go along the outside or actually cut some access panel holes in this awning so we can actually fish everything, get it over. Anything is possible. It's just a matter of imagination. So this is by far the easiest way. This does not take very long to get done. So this does not take nearly as long to get done as it would if we were to do it retro. So please give us a call at 972-905-0556 or email sales@puremediasystems.com. I'll have that information down here on the bottom for you to easy access for you there. Again, we are in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, North Texas. We can help you plan your system out through the whole process, make sure you get the correct system and equipment for your goals, whatever you're doing with your system. Again, we can be reached at 972-905-0556 or email sales@puremediasystems.com. If you're in another area, we can ship nationwide. We are authorized dealers for Klipsch, Sonos, Sony, really pretty much any major manufacturer out there. You get nationwide free shipping, and we can help you plan as well for what you're wanting to do. We work with all different budgets as well as different systems. We're not tied to one thing or another. We just help you plan and get the best system for what you need to do. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit that bell icon so you get notified of future videos, and give us a big thumbs up. Thanks, guys.